What's up, everybody? This your boy, Trailer Trail. Gardening and prepping made easy. This is what we're working with today, y'all. This is all our beautiful babies. You got your squash, cantaloupe, watermelon, peppers, zucchini, cucumbers, all my fruit trees. And by the way, they will be for sale, tomatoes and tomatoes. Make your paste and your salsas and stuff like that. And then you fall over here and get your watermelons, and your cantaloupe, and your peppers. We got to start going back to our roots, y'all. Growing this stuff. Y'all want any of this stuff, you can email me, hit me in the chat. Or you just simply leave a nice message in my inbox and I'll get with you. Got plenty of stuff.